Hey bitches, I was just wondering if I had what it takes to be a model. That's right, a hot, sexy model. Get sexy, no? And before I post all my modeling photos in this video, I just want to let all the bitch-ass, rude-ass haters, jealous bitches out there that see this video that my Uncle Pedro said that I would make a sexy model. My Uncle Pedro taught me how to make out with someone. So you know what he's saying is legit. I really think I am the next Kate Upton. If any rude-ass, bitch-ass, hating bitches out there don't like my photos, bitch, you just jealous, bitch.